Today you will learn all about the Manitowoc Indigo Series ID0606A B400 632-pound full-size cube ice machine with storage bin. This stainless steel commercial cube ice machine and bin combination makes and stores ice in a hotel or commercial restaurant setting. It produces up to 632 pounds of full-size cubes each day and stores up to 290 pounds in an insulated polyethylene bin. This unit has an air-cooled condenser. There is an easy-read display on the front of this machine. With push buttons and a clear display, you know exactly when to clean, sanitize, and replace filters for the best possible operation. There are buttons to power the machine on and off, as well as to initiate the cleaning cycle. To scoop the ice, just lift up the plastic ice bin door. It has a convenient stay-open design, and the soft trim around the edges limits any extra noise as the door closes. There is even an ice scoop and scoop holder included. This machine is perfect for banquet facilities, restaurants, bars, or coffee shops. This combination ice machine and bin from Manitowoc features everything you need to make and store ice. To speak to your personal account manager about placing an order, call or visit foodservicewarehouse.com today.